Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted anything in a while. I've been kind of thrashing on the car trying to get it ready to go out. I really should have been probably shooting some video, but honestly I'm just trying to get stuff done. It's a one-man show, so anyway, I got everything pretty much done. I'll go over all that stuff in another video, but my pump ended up leaking gasoline all over everything, and so I've got to put in a seal kit for my Magnafuel 275. Right here. So that's what we got to do. So I figured maybe you guys would want to follow along and see, and you know, maybe learn something yourself or not, or maybe tell me that I'm doing something wrong. So anyway, let's get going. So I did remove the motor already. It's just 2 screws. Slides right out. Okay, so we're gonna put that on the side because we don't need that right this moment. Let's see. Yeah, some tools here. Okay. Okay, so far so simple. Just kind of get all these out, these bad boys. It's a very simple pump. There's really not a lot to it. We've got there's this piece here, which is this must be like phallic, whatever, like a wood sort of kind of plastic, you know, so the veins run on that. Now you see you've got your veins right here. This is your inside of your pump. See, that spins when it's connected to the shaft on the motor. It sits off center, and that's what drives the fuel through. And this here, you just drop out. Set that up there. So now this is the part that we need to get out. This, oh, look at that. That come out way easier than I ever thought. And there's a pin here. You see this pin in that groove that lines up with this hole. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a hole inside there. So we'll set that on the side. So far so good. This is going rather easy. Okay, we just need to, this seal is on this side here. This one's obviously no good, so we're just going to go ahead and push that bad boy out. There it goes. Yep. That's it. That's the seal.
She's so upset.
Okay, so I got the seal out, and here's the new seal, and let's see how this goes back in here. Just one side pushed a little bit more than the other side. There it is. You see, right there, see, that's what the seal looks like from the motor side. The motor shaft goes through here. What I think is happening is right here is a relief hole that comes out here. And when the seal is bad, it dries up, it pushes the fuel through here, out here, so the gas doesn't get up inside of the motor. At least I hope that's what's happening, because that would really suck if that was pushing gas up inside there. But that's where we're at right now with that. And we got the vane pump, which actually I think what we'll do is we will put the motor on first. Okay, I didn't tighten that, I just left it loose, but I figured it was a lot easier to do this, you know. Let's see, we gotta put this in. See, there's a pin right there, and there's a hole. This came out really easy, kerchief. Yes, you're my kerchief.
I'm not your kerchief. I'm the prima donna driver.
Oh, is that what it is?
You're my pit bitch.
Alright, let's see. Here's this up just a little bit. I think that's easier to do that than trying to find the hole.
Well, now you gotta try to find the slot.
Yeah, but it probably won't be as bad. I mean, that slot is, that pin is lined up right with that one hole. There it is. That's there. It just needs to go down a lot further. There it is. A little liquid out of it. But you see that in there? No. The veins go in there. Now we put these little bad boys in there.
Are those like bearings?
No, they're veins. They're actually blades. What happens is when this spins, it flings them outward.
Oh,
and what
okay,
it does,
that
causes a draw through that. That's that's how the pump works.
Suction.
Yeah, and that's what it is. Well, it's not a suction. It only pushes fuel.
Okay.
These pumps are not designed to draw.
Oh, so they blow, they don't suck.
Yeah. Where's the O-ring? Alright, O-ring lays in there. And then we take the lid, and the lid goes on. And that, my YouTube friends, is how you rebuild a Magnafuel 275. It's a very simple pump. The only problem is that from what I understand from talking to people, every season or so, depending on the fuel that you run,
You gotta rebuild them.
you got to rebuild the seals. And if you leave it sit for more than a year, you definitely got to replace the seal. This is the one. It's not the O-ring that goes around there. It's this seal. This seal lets the fuel come out. Okay. And that, my friends, is it. We just got to tighten the motor up, and we're done. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. So, there you have it today, boys and girls. One rebuilt Magnafuel Quick Start 275. And hopefully, it won't leak. And all my rest of my fittings don't leak. And we can actually get this thing fired up and hopefully to the track. So, should see another video in another day or so, or maybe today or tomorrow, or I don't know. But hey, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe if you like what you see. Hey, leave any comments below if I did anything wrong or should have did something differently. I'm always learning. This is the first time I ever did one. So thanks for hanging out with me. See ya.